Winter camping is beautiful until the cold stops being refreshing and starts becoming dangerous. Freezing winds, icy ground, rapid heat loss, they can turn a peaceful snow-covered campsite into a real challenge. But with the right gear, winter becomes less of a fight and more of an adventure. Today, we're counting down 10 winter camping gadgets that don't just help you stay warm, they help you beat the cold entirely. Let's get started. Starting at number 10, we have the RAV-Power 300-watt portable power station. When temperatures drop, batteries die much faster. Phones shut down, headlamps fade early, and even GPS units struggle. Without power, winter trips get risky fast. The RAV-Power 300-watt power station solves that by giving you a reliable off-grid energy source that performs well even in cold temperatures. With 288 watt-hours of capacity and multiple outputs, USB-C, AC, and DC, it keeps small heaters, heated blankets, lights, and electronics running through long winter nights. What makes it valuable in the cold is its efficiency. Some power banks struggle below freezing, but this one maintains strong output and has built-in protection against temperature-related battery drain. Whether you're running a heated sleeping pad or keeping your communication devices alive, this little power station becomes a silent lifesaver when everything else is losing charge. At number 9, we have the Nitecore HC65 V2 high-output headlamp. Light is everything in winter. The days are shorter, nights are longer, and navigating snowy terrain without illumination can be dangerous. The HC65 V2 delivers 1,750 lumens, giving you a wide, clear field of vision on dark trails, icy roads, and snowy campsites. It uses a 21,700 battery for longer runtime, and its metal body helps it dissipate heat, which actually improves battery performance in freezing conditions. What makes it perfect for winter is its reliability. Snow, wind, fog, freezing rain. This headlamp cuts through it all. And because the cold makes things harder to see and react to, having a bright, stable beam dramatically reduces your chances of slipping or getting disoriented after nightfall. At number 8, we have the Thermacell EX80 rechargeable hand warmer. Cold hands aren't just uncomfortable, they reduce your dexterity, slow down your reactions, and make simple tasks like tying knots, cooking, or adjusting gear frustrating or unsafe. The Thermacell X80 delivers up to 9 hours of consistent heat with adjustable temperature levels, warming your hands far more effectively than disposable warmers. It heats evenly, stays warm in harsh weather, and recharges through USB-C. What sets it apart is the control. Instead of short bursts of heat, you get long, stable warmth that keeps your fingers functional. For winter conditions where frostbite risk increases, or when you just need full use of your hands, this gadget makes a big difference. At number 7, we have the Exped Downmat 9 Winter Sleeping Pad. Most people think a warm sleeping bag is enough, but the cold ground steals heat faster than the air ever will. That's why winter sleeping systems fail. The Exped Downmat 9 uses high-quality down insulation inside an airtight air chamber to create a thermal barrier between you and the frozen ground. With an R value over 8, it's built specifically for extreme cold environments. What makes it essential is how dramatically it improves your sleep warmth. Even the best sleeping bags struggle if the ground beneath you is icy. This pad eliminates that problem entirely, letting you sleep comfortably even in sub-zero temperatures. A warm night equals a safe morning. At number 6, we have the Lasco MyHeat Personal Ceramic Heater. Sometimes you need a quick heat boost, inside a tent, in your vehicle, or while cooking. The MyHeat provides a small but surprisingly effective burst of warmth using energy-efficient ceramic heating technology. It pulls just 200 watts, making it compatible with portable power stations. And because it's compact, it heats up fast and directs warmth exactly where you need it, instead of wasting energy on a wide area. Its real value is its portability. Most heaters are bulky and power-hungry, but this one gives you controlled, gentle heat without draining your entire off-grid setup. Cold mornings feel a lot more manageable with this little unit running beside you. If you're enjoying the list so far, feel free to like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it. At number 5, we have the ThermaRest Polar Ranger minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit sleeping bag. When the temperature drops well below freezing, your sleeping bag becomes more important than your tent. The Polar Ranger is built for serious cold, temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It uses multiple layers of high loft down, a snorkel-style hood to trap heat, and draft-blocking features that prevent cold air from sneaking in. It even includes breathing ports so you can keep your face inside the bag without moisture buildup. What makes this bag special is how well it protects you from heat loss. Every inch is engineered to conserve warmth, making it a reliable barrier against brutal winter nights. If you're camping in snow or high altitudes, this bag turns freezing temperatures into something you can sleep through. At number 4, we have the BioLite Charge 80 PD Power Bank. Cold weather kills batteries faster than any other condition, sometimes cutting runtime in half. The BioLite Charge 80 PD gives you 20,000 milliamp hours of dependable power with cold-resistant circuitry and fast USB-C charging. It keeps phones, headlamps, GPS units, and heated gear running even in freezing temperatures, and it holds charge extremely well when stored, making it perfect for long trips. Its biggest advantage is reliability. When temperatures sink below zero, most power banks weaken quickly. But this one is built to keep your essential devices alive even when the weather is working against them. Entering the top 3, these gadgets are absolute winter game changers. At number 3, we have the Gobi Heat Terrain Heated Camping Chair. Sitting still in the winter is when the cold hits hardest. Whether you're cooking, taking a break, or relaxing at camp, your body loses heat fast. The Gobi Heat Terrain Chair solves that by integrating heating elements directly into the seat and back panel. Powered by a portable battery pack, it has multiple temperature settings and delivers warmth right where your body needs it. What makes it so effective is its comfort plus function combination. Instead of layering more jackets or constantly moving to stay warm, this chair lets you enjoy your campsite while staying toasty. For winter nights around a fire, it's one of the most enjoyable gadgets you can bring. At number 2, we have the Ravian Heated Down Jacket, 2024 edition. Your jacket is your first line of defense against the cold, and the Ravian Heated Down Jacket takes it much further. With heating zones in the chest, back, and pockets, it warms your core instantly using efficient carbon fiber elements. The 2024 version improves battery life, offers adjustable heating modes, and uses premium down insulation that's lightweight yet incredibly warm. The battery can even charge your phone while powering the jacket. What makes it essential for winter camping is the consistency of heat. Instead of relying only on insulation, you get active warmth that keeps your circulation strong. When temperatures plunge unexpectedly, this jacket keeps your body performing at its best. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mr. Heater Little Buddy Portable Propane Heater. When cold becomes dangerous, you need real heat, fast. The Little Buddy is one of the safest portable propane heaters designed specifically for tents and small shelters. It produces 3,800 BTUs of steady warmth, has built-in tip-over protection, and includes oxygen depletion sensors for safe indoor use. It starts instantly, requires no electricity, and works reliably even in freezing temperatures. What makes it number 1 is simple. It turns the harshest cold into a comfortable, cozy environment, even in the middle of winter. Whether you're thawing out after a long hike or heating a tent on icy nights, this heater is the single most impactful winter camping gadget you can bring, and that wraps up the list. Which winter gadget would you rely on the most to beat the cold? Let me know in the comments. I always enjoy reading your picks. And if you liked the video, consider subscribing for more weekly tech that makes outdoor life easier, warmer, and way more comfortable.